Okay, so what we're going to do now on this F3 is take care of this little piece. There's a piece here, it looks broken. I'm not sure how big that piece is. We're going to get it out, put in a new one, and yeah, I don't like that. Someone's messed around with that. So go ahead and take this screw out here. This guy going here. I don't know exactly what's going to come. Sometimes it comes out as an assembly, sometimes little parts. It slides out. We'll see how that all goes together in a second. Okay, yeah. So you have the brass ring. Holds it down. That slides in like that, and the brass ring goes over the top. Sometimes when you take these out, the brass ring is stuck on there and everything comes out. So there's a stud under here too. Oh, very tight. Wish I had my pointy tweezers. See them? Might be better. Okay. Yeah, see? 1, 2, 3. All have different jobs. Alright, so that fits in like that. Hold everything down. I'm going to go ahead and desolder my battery. There to there. And I'm going to take my battery out just so it doesn't short out. Okay, so under here is a kind of pain spring. Don't like that spring very much. Always fights me. Receiver. So the broken piece is this piece here. Let's get it out of the way. Right, so this piece here is for your motor drive, and when the power comes in here, it gets transferred here, and this is hitting the circuit board, then your camera gets power. When the motor drive presses down on this, it now takes power from the motor drive. So it's just a kind of swapping back and forth from the camera battery power to the motor drive power. These things go bad and people think the board is bad, and all you gotta do is clean these switches and boom, you're done. All right, so that made any sense. And we go ahead and replace this. I anticipated it being broken, and there's a new one. So we'll put that in. That rim is broken off right there, so this is just a piece of junk. And get out of the way. Go ahead and put this one back in. Or put this one in. So just put it in there, set it. We need to get the hole lined up here at the circuit board too. There, now I can see. Okay, So this guy needs to come in. It's got to cut out. I know you're not going to be able to see it, but way down here there's a cutout. So it's got to sit in there. Well, this spring decides it wants to move it around. Yeah, not my favorite thing to do this. This has just always been a big pain in the... It's always been difficult. I don't want to say it's not what it's like. I'm going to unsolder this over here just to give me a little extra flip up on a circuit board. This is, I rarely replace this part. This part, almost never, but I do have a punch and start. I bought a bunch of parts. I don't know why there were so many of those in there, but it's weird. I rarely replace one. I'm gonna try this. Okay, that was better. Just make sure it's sitting right. It's not. See what I mean? I mean, I've been doing this for years. There we go. Finally. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put the stud in here. It wants to go. Okay, tighten it up. Okay. Alright, let's see. Put an insulator on. Brass nut on. All right. Just soldered up the 2 wires for the battery chamber. Get this back setting down. Okay, solder that wire. Put the ground on it. That's it. Battery's in. It should work. Beautiful. Oops. All right. So, got all that done. I'm going to go ahead and start putting the top covers on, and then we're going to get down. We're going to do the adjustments on it. Let me pull back the leatherette so you can see where all the adjustments are. Take the leatherette off, just pull it back. There's all my adjustments. Okay, there's also some under here. That's why this is probably falling off. Someone doesn't know how to clean and use their glue correctly. There's 3 more over here. So definitely someone pull the front on this because this is not factory wiring. So what they went into for originally, don't know. But working great. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and we're going to go and then do another video putting the covers back on and doing the adjustments. I might do adjustments separately because this is actually, adjustments on F3 can be quite extensive. I don't like to do more than I have to, so I will check on the machine and find out exactly what it's going to need and do the adjustments as needed. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you would. Appreciate any comments down below. If you want me to do an F3, I can pull the front out of it at some point. Who knows, maybe I'll just offer somebody, if they send me in one to do a video, 50% off on the labor type of thing, and I'll pull the front out of it. But I always think, why pull the front if you don't have to? It's just a waste of time. So I did find, this has got a crack across it. I will replace that. You don't need to watch it. It's 2 screws. It can come out. No big deal. Goes in from the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I have a few other little parts here that can go in on this camera. And like I said, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.